All right, so children, hi, my name is Bernong from 88 Tuition. I believe you know who I am. Let's begin today's lesson, all right? So today, P4, we are doing a recap on fractions. Huh? Sure, what recap? Oh yeah, so for the students, right, 88 Tuition students, right, those who have attended quite a few of the lessons, we are already finished fractions already. Yeah, and our next topic, I believe, is decimals, all right? So fractions is a very, very important topic, all right? On and off, I will be trying to do a bit of revision, all right, to get more to be much more better in fractions. All right, some schools haven't teach you all fractions yet. I totally understand. All right, but we have to go ahead as a class. All right.
Yeah, I've just started fraction.
Very good, very good. All right. So later on, I will be talking about some of the important things about fractions. Please, I need your full focus later. All right, when we talk about those questions over there. Can? All right. So last week I gave you one question as homework, number 10. Remember this question about the pears and mangoes? All right. So for those who are seeing these questions the first time, can you please try this question first? All right. For those who have actually done your homework, right, you can actually give me the answers in your chat. Go to your chat and give me the answer. Hello, Brian. What's up? Are you okay? All right. Can you please on your video when you come to class? Thank you so much. Hello, Kat. Catherine. All right. Olivia is in too. Wow. All right, so children, let's all begin with this question as the homework first. All right, last week I gave you one question as homework. Okay, I told you to, try to take a picture of it and all this. Yep. So can you please give me the answer in the chat? For those who are seeing it the first time, give it a try. Today we'll be doing something like this also. Nico and Suyu, can I have your video on, please? Thank you so much. Thank you, Suyu. All right, those who have done the homework, can you please go to the go to the chat and key in, please. The answer. Is this fraction of a set some v, something like that? Very good. Very good. You know what you're talking about. All right, those who have seen that question before, can you please give it a try? Nico, are you there? Oh, you cannot on your camera, Nico. Is it some problem with your camera? All right, please get it checked. All right, the next lesson, I would like to see you on the camera, please. Thank you so much. Kat, I saw your answer. Thank you so much. It is not correct, but thank you for trying. All right, it's not an easy question. I totally agree. Hello, we have S Sivanet. Is that? Oh, Harini. Hello, Harini. Can you please turn on your video, please? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Mean by the number of mangoes is 2/5 the number of pears.
Hello, Agnav. How are things with you? Very good. Excellent. All right, so children, this was the last week one question homework. Yes. All right, this one is a little bit advanced. For those who never done fraction before, yes, it's totally unfair to you. You wouldn't know how to do. All right, but give it a try. All right, because for 88 tuitions, right, our students actually finish up with fractions already. All right, and we are going into the next topic the next week. All right, but I can feel that the fractions, many of you are still a little bit weak in it. So don't worry, later we can have a little bit of games, Kahoot, on a bit of fractions, and I will talk a little bit more about it. Is that okay? All right, just try your best first. Okay, so I'll give you another 1 more minute to try. All right, Abil, I saw your answer in the chat. It is incorrect, but thanks for trying. Okay, by 5:36. Okay, the time now is 5:36. Children, come. Let's talk a little bit about this type of question. All right, I know it's not easy. I know it's not easy. Right, so let's talk about it. So children, can I just have your focus? If you have your little notebook with you, right? A math notebook with you. Yes, thank you. I saw it, Sanvi. So that's such a cute book. All right. So that book, right? Can you please try to put in some of the notes, right? Like fraction. There's a lot of notes about fractions that you need to know. All right. So down here, what do you see? Children, look at this. Every time you got 2 items, for example, mangoes versus pear, 2 items. And there is a what? There is a fraction in between the 2 items. So it can be anything, children. It can be boys and girls. All right. It can be elephant and monkeys. All right. So 2 items. And there is a fraction in the center. Can you please draw this for me, children? Draw this for me. The numerator is for the front. The denominator is for the back. All right. So if you draw this right, things becomes a little bit clearer. So if we compare mangoes and pears, all right, if we compare mangoes and pears, mangoes for M, pears for P. Look, the numerator 2 means what? 2 units is for mango. 2 units is for mango. So children, my advice to you is to what? Draw model. All right, model is very useful. All right, so mangoes, I purposely draw 2 units. Why? Because this fraction, the 2, the numerator represents mangoes. And the 5 actually represents for the pears. So the pears must draw how many units? Obviously must draw 5 lah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see that? All right, can you see that? So that is the meaning. That is the meaning of what? 2/5. All right, 2 is for mangoes and 5 is for pears. Hey, Che, why do you draw the dot inside the box? Is it important? So children, the dots, right, actually reminds me that what? They are of the same size. So this is the same size as this. All right, they are of the same size. All right, so the dots actually represents they are of the same size. All right, Kat and Brian, thank you for your answers, but it's not correct. All right, don't worry about it. Let me go through. Thank you for trying, Brian. Thank you for trying, Catherine. You have been trying so many times already. Thank you so much. Eldon, can you please turn on your camera, please? It's compulsory for you to do so. All right. So this is the first clue, children. This is the first clue. Number of mangoes, 2. 5 is the number of pears. First clue, is it done? Yes. Let's take a look at the second clue. Children, read a little bit, do a little bit. Don't stress yourself with the entire paragraph. It's very scary, children. I understand. I was once your age before. It was very scary to see the whole paragraph like that. And there's fraction here, there's fraction here. So scary. So children, break it down. After you have done out your model, what's the next clue? There are 156 more pears than mango. Looking at the model, children, looking at the model, is it true that there are more pears? Yes. This part is the more. Can you see that this part is the more? All right. And what did the question say? 156 more. Oh, that means down here is 156, right? Is that true? Stop. Stop reading. Don't read already. Don't read on. Don't read it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Don't read. All right. Just too many things. What do? Find out what is the clues. More clues for you is better. Children, look at here. Look here. All right. Can you see that down here is how many units? How many of these blocks? All right. We call this 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. And this 3 unit represents what? These 3 units here, isn't it true that it represents the 156? Aren't they the same? Aren't they the same size? Yes. So these 3 units down here actually represents 156. I always like to find 1 unit first. This is taught to me by my dad actually. Long time ago, my dad always say, go and find the 1 unit first. All right, it's very useful. Find the 1. So you take 156, divide by 3. Why divide by 3? For example, I got 3 friends. 3 friends, I got $156. 1 friend, you divide by 3. Isn't that true? So you take 156, divide by 3 first. 3 times 5 is a 15. Down here is a 0, bring down the 6. 3 times 2 is a 6. Down here is a 0, no remainder. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, I am. All right, so next time when I sing the song, are you happy? You must say, yes, I am. Sanvi, don't shake your head. All right, must say, yes, I am. All right, come on, children, you do math, right? Must have some excitement. All right, if not, it will be so boring. You look at Harini, want to fall asleep already. All right, hey, children, so must have some excitement when you do math. Come on, and today is the first day of school, right? You guys are so excited to go back to school. You get to see your friends, the cat in your school. The cat. Oops. Sorry, I'm not Catherine, that cat. All right, you get to see your friends. You got to see everybody, your best friend, your BFF. No, man? No, oh my goodness. All right, go to school is such a fun thing. All right, of course, I know many of you don't feel that way. I know. All right, but it's okay. Come on, we have to stay positive. Why? Why? Children, remember something. You are primary 4. All right, P5, P6 still got to go to school. Sec 1, Sec 2, Sec 3, Sec 4 still have to go to school. So you will be going to school for the next what? 6 to 8 years easily. So instead of dragging your feet to school every day, why not look at it positively? You are supposed to go to school anyway, right? So you have to go with a happy heart. Stay positive, children, really. All right, if you are happy to go to school, I tell you, things you learn, right, will be so much valuable. All right, so change your mindset. All right, so moving on. 1 unit is 52, right? 1 unit is 52. Can I purposely go and find how many mangoes? I can. Mangoes got how many? Mangoes represents 1 unit, 2 unit, what? All right, mangoes got 2 units. So I can go and find mangoes first. Why? Because I like mango. I like to eat mangoes. Honestly, I like to eat mangoes, but I don't like the seed in the center. Next time, can you please be a very good biotech scientist? Go and try to change the structure of the mango such a way that the flesh is more than the seed. Cannot. All this, honestly, right, in science, no, Eldon, don't shake your head. All this is possible in science. Last time, right, the grapes that we eat, right? Do you know the grapes that we eat? Grapes. Inside got seeds one. Last time, all the grapes got seed one. But now the grapes you eat is what? Seedless grapes, right? Have you seen that before? Have you eaten seedless grapes? Hey, where got such things? How come the fruits got no seed? Something's wrong. No, all these are actually man-made, man intervention. All right, it's very interesting. Science is very interesting. All right, so I'm just waiting and praying that one of you next time can help me make the mango so that the seed becomes smaller so that I can eat more flesh. Yes, Harini, you raise your hand. What's up? You want to say something? Yes? I cannot hear you, Harini. I'm so sorry.
There's a tiny seed.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
For the grapes, there's a tiny seed.
For the grapes, is it? The grapes, okay, some of them got tiny seeds, but many of them is you cannot see it. You just pop it in your mouth and you just yum, 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 and it's gone. Right? Yes, Kat, you want to say something?
I sent my working in the chat.
Sorry again?
I've sent my working in the chat.
Oh, you have sent your work? Yes. Okay, wait lah. Okay, I see your working. Thank you so much. However, I don't see the answer. 3. Okay. Wait. Later I see some more. Answer is not 91. Oh, Olivia, don't say that. All right. Hanuska, your answer is very close. You might have some careless mistake here and there. Okay, children, let me continue. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I've been talking about mangoes, right? I'm so sorry. Okay, so the mangoes is 104. Can we find how many pairs do we have? Just for fun. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.